Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a magic trick. Okay, so let's get started. Over here you can see this bowl, and by the reflection over there you can tell there's water. And now I've got these grass. You often see it. So if you notice, there's a black thing over there. So I'm going to remove it. Yeah, okay. So we have this, and this is called the One. Now see what happens. I put the One in the water. Wait. It's moving. Very slowly, but it is moving. See, this end was in the water. Now this end is out, and that end is going inside. It's moving now again. Now it's going to the right side. There's no ripple or anything. I'm not doing anything. And yet it's moving. So that is called the One. So the seed is in that. So why does it move? It's because it's the seed, right? So when the rains come, it falls down, and then when it reaches the ground, it starts moving like how it's moving here. So that it can dig the ground and it goes inside the soil so that it can grow, so that it doesn't get washed away in the flood. You see the mysteries of nature.